Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford Edge, powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a very spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And underneath this cargo cover, you have your spare with some large compartments around for extra storage and a 12-volt power outlet right there. Then looking into the back seat, where you have seating for 3 comfortably with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, as well as a 12-volt power outlet down there. And looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 90,940 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, actually that included as well. Then on the left you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel used, fuel economy, and all the stats together. Then you can also look at your fuel economy separately, driver assistance settings, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, CD, USB, and Bluetooth capable. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. With dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something of the sort. Above that you have this little compartment for some storage, and then moving down you have, of course, your media controls, your hazards, and then your climate controls here. Very simple, easy to use. Down below that you have this compartment with USB inside, so you can plug something in from there with some space for stuff. Below all of this, you have this cubby area where you can put some more stuff, and you have a 12-volt power outlet in the passenger leg area. Then you have your main shifter. With select shift, you have paddle shifters on the wheel, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have your parking brake, 2 cup holders, and then your 2-tiered center compartment / armrest. Plenty of space in there with another 12-volt, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.